All right, I'm going to try it. I'm going to close my eyes and clap my hands 3 times and say farts, farts, farts. And he might magically appear. Let's see what happens. I'm closing my eyes. 1 clap, 2 clap, 3 clap. Farts, farts, farts. Oh. Hey! There he is. I knew you would show up. I knew you would show up. I knew you would show up, Fartsy. That's all right that you overslept. I understand. You probably was up doing fireworks last night. I knew you would show up, Farts. I knew it. I knew it in my heart, in my soul. Right here, Farts. I knew it in my heart and my soul.